There you go. Come on.
Okay. We're going to be pushing sideways now,
Yep.
right?
Okay, turn it a little bit to the right, and I want to be where I can see her wheels, so you'll be behind me. Yep. Now this is really slow. Just back up.
Backing up.
Turn harder to the right, too. Yep, back up. Keep coming. Keep coming. All right, hold on. Now, I want you to try pulling ahead again and see if you can get a little further ahead this time.
Go straight.
Yeah. Go ahead. Right. Okay, stop. Okay, now a hard left. I mean right, I'm sorry. Hard right. Yeah. And back up. Yeah. Nice and slow. Keep coming. Keep coming. Don't get between your feet, guys. Keep coming.